Good morning, dear students. In last video, I have taught you exercise 28. Today, I will teach you exercise 20B. Use of AM and PM. Okay, how to use AM and PM. Firstly, between 12 midnight to 12 noon, the time is written using suffix a and I. Between 12 midnight to 12 noon, the time is written by using suffix a and between 12 noon to 12 midnight, the time is written using suffix pm. Understood? For example, 10 o'clock in the morning. 10 o'clock in the morning. The time is written as 10 a.m. Okay? For morning, we use suffix am. 10 o'clock at night. 10 p.m. Understood? Now, next, conversion of 12-hour clock time into 24-hour clock time. Conversion of 12-hour clock time to 24-hour clock time. There is a rule. First, if the time is in AM, if the time is in AM, then replace AM by hours. Only replace AM by hours. For example, see, time is in AM, 6:30 AM. So for converting 12-hour clock time to 24-hour clock time, we will replace AM by hours. 6:30 hours. Understand? Now, second one, if the time is in PM. If the time is in PM, then add 12 to the given time. Then add 12 to the given time and replace PM by hours. Okay. Look at here. 6:30 PM. Time is PM. What is the rule? For this, we will add 12 to the given time. 6:30 plus 12. And replace PM by hours. Hours is equal to 18:30 hours. Understood? Next, conversion of 24-hour clock time into 12-hour clock time. There is also two rules. First, if the time is less than 12, if the time is less than 12, then replace hours by AM. Then replace hours by AM if the time is less than 12. Second, firstly look at here. Example, 6:30 hours. We can see this time is less than 12. So we will replace hours by AM. 6:30 AM. Okay. Next, if the time is more than 12, then subtract 12 from the given time and replace hours by PM. For example, here 18:30 hours. So it is more than 12. So we will subtract 12 from the given time. 18:30 minus 12 PM. Replace hours by PM. That is equal to 6:30 PM. Understood? Okay. So let us do question. Question number 1 is, change into 24-hour clock time. A. 7:50 PM. For this, PM is given, so we will add 12 and replace PM by hours. 750 plus 12 hours, so 90, 50 hours. Now be 5 AM. For this, we will replace AM by hours. 5 hours. See, 12 midnight means 12 o'clock at night. For this, we will add 12. 12 plus 12 and replace midnight by hours. That's 24 hours. Okay. Now, question number 2. Change into 12-hour clock time. Okay. A. 16:30 hours. It is more than 12, so we will subtract 12 from the given time. 16:30 minus 12 and replace hours by PM. That is equal to 4:30 PM. Now see, 10:45 hours. It is less than 12. So, we will replace hours by AM. 10:45 AM. Now E, 12 hours. Means 12 o'clock at noon. So, we will write here 12 noon. Okay. Question number 3. A train reached at New Delhi railway station at 4:45 PM. The time is given in PM. What is the time in a 24-hour clock? Our train reached at time 4:45 PM. For PM, we will add 12. 4:45 plus 12 hours. That is 16:45 hours. Understood? This exercise we have completed. Rest of the questions you will do by yourself.